Welcome to my channel. Today's question is 2929. Distribute candies among children. So you are given two positive integers n and limit. Return the total number of ways to distribute n candies among three children, such that no children get more than limit candies. So for example 1, input is given n is equals to 5 and the limit is 2. So there are three ways to distribute 5 candies such that no children gets more than 2 candies. So, return the total number of ways to distribute candies among three children such that no children gets more than limit candies. So a children should get only limited candies, and we have to return the number of range number of ways we can distribute among the three children, among the n children, given here 3. So given here 5 children, sorry, 5 candies and 3 children. So we will get, so this topic is math, type of math, combinatorics, uh, and enumeration. So we will get to the solution. So this is the solution. Like the given function returns this function. So count function, and it will pass n argument. And that will be if the that is like less than 0, we will return 2, and if it is we will return the sum plus 2, sum plus 1 by 2. This is the total values we can get here, and we will get here for first children, and for combination for second children here, and for combination for third children. So like this we will calculate number of ways for each children. We can distribute the limited candidates only. So let's try to run this one. Submit. Yeah, this is executing, and we can also see for any optimal solutions also. Optimal solutions. So these are we can see in the solution section. We can see other problems, other people's approach, how the other people like solve this problem, and we can understand the solutions given here. We can understand their solutions and understand their approach instead of like solving brute force on your way. So if you look at like other problems also, it will be it will be for helpful to you also. It will be like we can uh, find the patterns they have used to solve the problem, and you can use them whenever similar or the same problem asked. So this is a hard problem. So either way, you will instead of solving and instead of asking the taking help from ChatGPT and taking help from the editorial hints. So you can find the solution section also. So you can find the solution in this section. So they will you can see the solution and you can implement, understand the code. So like in the DSA, like any problem, we can solve with any approach also. Like there is no like you have to solve. We can solve with this approach only. Suppose I have question, so it will be if I tell I can solve it with like two pointers and sliding window. So we can solve this problem with recursion also. We can solve with DP also, and we can solve using hash matrices. We can implement any kind of data structures to solve the problem. So there will be n number of in if the problem is very like concise enough, we can solve with any number of data structures. We can apply any number of, but if it is not like solve, it is if it is data structure specific, like if it is, you can solve with that data structure only. Initially, the problem itself is a data structure means we can solve with that data structure. So it depends based on the problem. You can solve with any approach. Like you take that, you have to take that time and implement that approach. Implement that approach. So understand this is a problem. So we take a pen and paper and uh, see how what is the end given and limit given, and we will figure it out like this one with a paper. So three children were there. So think of how to like implement it the code also. So how we can implement with the code and what data structures we will be using and how we will be using and like the ways asking questions you will find out the you can find out the answers for those questions. So this paper kind of thing will work if you are beginning to start learn this one. So do the one and you will find it find the solutions also here and editorials. So let's run this problem. So it is executing and you can solve with any problem. And if you have any doubt or if you have any questions, you need to ask. Comment on the below. Comment below. And thank you for watching the channel. Like and share and subscribe to the channel.